Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening photos and selecting the image you want analyzed. Make sure it's clear and focused. Once done, look for the small visual lookup icon, a sparkly corner or info badge, and tap it. If you don't see the icon, swipe up on the photo to reveal extra details and suggestions. This reveals detected subjects like plants, landmarks, or text. This first step triggers Apple's on-device recognition and prepares the app to show identification and actionable results. Once Visual Lookup displays results, scan the labels and categories it suggests. This is how the model communicates confidence and context. Tap a label to open more detailed information, related images, or web references. Make sure to check multiple suggestions when recognitions seem uncertain. You can also use contextual actions, copy detected text, translate phrases, or tap share to send results. These interactive options let you act on findings quickly, and they explain why the app. To finish, save any useful info to notes, photos, or a contact so you can revisit it later. This preserves the context and sources. If detection is poor, retake the photo or crop to the subject. Closer, well-lit images improve accuracy. If Visual Lookup shows nothing, make sure your iPhone is updated and that Visual Lookup is enabled in Settings under Photos. Restarting the device can also resolve recognition glitches. That one troubleshooting tip solves most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.